Hello guys, my name is Kayane. I welcome you on my channel. As you may have noticed, there are some classes of Lezginka basics. You can learn them. But today I'm gonna share with you one of the secrets connected with the speed development. We know basic walk, basic step. Also, I call it touch step, this one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. In my classes available on this channel, you have this speed, but maybe you have already seen the higher speed, this one. So today I'm going to give you some secrets of developing this speed. First of all, let's understand that our legs are bended, especially basic legs. So when you do all these steps, knees are bended. Even when you do touch step, your basic leg is also bended. This is the first secret. So knees are always bended. Okay, next secret is to relax legs. You see, I don't step like this one. I don't do like this. Before stepping, I lift my knee a little bit, relax half of my leg, this part, and then I step. So it looks like this. And 1. You see, it's different. 1. So I recommend you practice this thing when your legs are bended, head level is the same, but you lift your knee and step. 1. 1. Okay, when you do touch step, the same principle. So 1 now. Lift a little bit your knee and get it down. 2. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. But another secret is not to stop after touch step. So we do first step, then we do touch step and lift again the knee. So it's kind of like 1, 2, and. Okay, practice this. 1, 2, you can calculate as 3, whatever you like. 1, 2, lift. Okay, 1, 2. So after 2, you lift. This is the way to relax second leg. Okay, but after lifting, you immediately turn it into your basic step. So what happens is 1, 2, 1. Okay, let's practice this. Here we go. 1, 2, 1. When I do 1, my weight goes with this leg. Again, here we go. 1, 2, 1. And continue. 2, 1. So the secret is to keep knees bended and to manage to relax them between the steps. And 1, and 2, and. So you see what happens? So you need to train to lift your knees, and when you lift it, to manage to relax them. Also, I recommend you to do it without moving. For example, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. How to understand that you do it correctly? You will hear the sound like tap sound, like in American tap dance. This happens only in case if you manage to relax your leg. Only because relaxing. So I recommend you to practice this and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, 1, and 2, 1, and 2, 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. And then try to do it, for example, 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. And another exercise to combine and change different speed. For example, the first 2 steps, slow speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 steps faster. 1, 2, 3. This is what you're going to see in my Lezginka course, male course basics. If you would like to order it, this is the beginning. So we do 1, and 2, and then 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to try this with music. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, This is the matter of relaxing legs.